Social Blade is available to the public so they can track their competitors' analytics, see how well they're doing. You can look at future projections. In here I'm going to show you how you can track the data. It can be used for many different social media streams. Social Blade can also, by showing you your future projections, it can keep you motivated, see what stats you could, with a little bit more effort, how much growth your channel could grow. Viewing the statistics, you must bear in mind that all may not be accurate. Some people may be working and getting revenues of income in from affiliate marketing and other revenue streams. So please bear this in mind. The positive thing is they may be earning more than you expect, and the possibility is in the future you could be also earning more. If you go into Google, type in Social Blade, accept the notice. At the top you've got drop down list for all the different social media platforms. Take a look at GB News. Here you can see more data, number of subscribers, country, channel type, when the user was created. So on there you can see again the number of subscribers, and you can see latest videos uploaded, the amount of revenue for those videos. If you go along the top you can see future projections. So if I tap on future projections, and then scroll down, you can see the dates, years, and the future projections of the channel, number of users, subscribers, and other information. Please like and subscribe.